Assalamu alaikum dear friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Study with Khalil Reahman. Today our topic is cce 2008 past papers. अॼु असां जेको 2008 जा जेके पास पेपर्स आया उहे तव्हां हल कराईंदासीं। असां फर्स्ट लेक्चर में जेको आहे 35 MCQs करे चुका हुआसीं। अॼु जेको असां 36 MCQ खां स्टार्ट कंदासीं। तव्हां सां सिर्फ़ु जेको असां राइट आंसर्स जेको आहे शेयर कंदासीं, छो त जेको आहे वीडियो तमामु ढिघो थी थो वञे पियो। मैग्नोट लाइन इज़ अ defense barrier between France and Germany during the Second World War is the right answer, B option. 37 MCQs. Videotape used in the cam recorders to record the audio and video signals imply is the fine grains of iron oxide. D is the right answer. Mai Bhagi, a famous Sindhi folk singer, was a resident of village Mithi. C is the right answer. 39 MCQs. Muhammad Ali Jinnah was architect of Lucknow Pact. A is the right answer. Which creek is located in Tita district? Is a Garo Creek. Is B option is right answer. 41. The real brother of Hazrat Yusuf alayhi salam was Benjamin. Is the right answer. Pilgrims throw the pebbles at Satans. What is the name of this act? Is Rami. A is the right answer. 3 MCQs. Under the 1973 constitutions, if no party commands majority in a professional assembly, then the governor dissolves professional assemblies. B is the right answer. The founder of Fatimid dynasty was Al-Mahdi. D is the right answer. After Hijrat from Makkah to Medina, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, kneeled at the door of Hazrat Abu Ansari. 46 MCQs. Small liquid drops assume spherical shape because of the liquid tends to have a minimum surface due to surface tension. D is the right answer. Which date of Zulhaj is called Yom Arafat? A is the right answer, 9 Zulhaj. The first atomic fuel bomb was detonated at the Almogardo city. C is the right answer. 49 MCQs. The natural water recharge of Mancha Lake is from Khirtha range. C is the right answer. 50 MCQs. In Holy Quran, Surah Ankabut refers to a spider. B is the right answer. 51 MCQs. Insulin drug was discovered by Paul Langer Hans. D is the right answer. 52 MCQs. Taliban movement in Afghanistan emerged from Kandahar. C is the right answer. Largest coal deposit have been discovered in which taluk of Sindh province is Diplo. B is the right answer. 54 MCQs. The largest lake of Sindh province is a Mancha Lake. D is the right answer. Last Kalolo ruler of Sindh was Mian Sarfraz Khan Kalolo. 56 MCQs. The governor under the 1973 Constitution of Pakistan takes oath before Chief Justice of Representative High Court. A is the right answer. 57 MCQs. Hazrat Zakaria was contemporary of Hazrat Isa Islam. B is the right answer. Teaches is the name of constellations. D is the right answer. Which Congress leader thought after the Lahore resolutions that partitions was unavoidable? Rajgopal Acharya is the right answer. C is the right answer. 60 MCQs. The famous book History of Sarah Sands was written by Justice Amir Ali. D is the right answer. Filler earth depots in Pakistan are located in district of Chagi, Makran, Dadu and Thatta. इन में जेके 4 MCQs जेके ऑप्शंस आहिनि उहे बिल्कुलु ग़लति आहिनि. डिस्ट्रिक्ट जेको आहे उहो जेको सही आहे उहो DG खान आहे. 62 MCQs. Before advent of Islam, calendar year in Arabia was Amul Fahil. B is the right answer. Beta rays are a fast moving electrons. A is the right answer. 64 MCQs. Hazrat Ali ibn Abi Talib al-Islam is buried at Najaf. C is the right answer. 65 MCQs. The present monarchy of United Kingdoms belongs to a clan. Hanovers B is the right answer. Kalula ruler of Sindh were originally from Abbasids. C is the right answer. Nubians monuments are located in Egypt. Pamphlet Now or Never was written by 1933 by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. The book entitled Freedom at Midnight is written by Larry Collins. C is the right answer. Leukemia is a type of cancer in which there is an abnormal increase in number of white blood cells. Pakistan's largest oil fields are located in district Badeh. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. ऐं नेक्स्ट जेको असां लेक्चर में असां 2019 जेके पास पेपर हल कंदासीं. खुदा हाफ़िज़.